As you can see, I finally decided to get a quad lock after my whole entire channel basically based on just me being lost. So whether this makes my channel less interesting or not, I'm not sure. But I'm looking forward to knowing where I'm going. I see Kalimoto tells you the speed you're going, which is good because my quad lock covers my speedo. Oh, never been up this road. Lovely back road this. Come on, go first gear. I think that was a second gear. Start off there, oh well. Sort of hoping the quad lock makes me a bit of a safer rider as well, because there's something a little dangerous about going out and not knowing where you're going, because it just takes away one of those steps of forward planning. It's also just, you know, it's just another thing you have to think about while you're out on your ride, is like, oh, what turn do I want to take next? And yeah, so at least I know when a turn's coming up, I can prepare. However, I am noticing that I am looking down quite a lot so far. Hopefully that's something I can just sort of get used to not doing. So unfamiliar with these roads. Tightened up even more. Keeps going, holy shit. I recognise these roads, although I think I usually get onto them through a different way. So for this ride I basically, I mean, I'm sure most of you are pretty well versed in Kalimoto now if you have any interest in it at all, but I haven't really used it that much. So for this ride I tried out I want to go southbound on twisty roads for about 45 minutes, and it gave me a route for about an hour, full circuit. So yeah, so that's what I'm on just now. So far it's been pretty good, I have to say. And I did remember my earplugs today, which is good because it means I can focus a bit more and I don't have wind brushing past my ears, because I really hate riding without earplugs now. It's just a completely different experience. So if you're not a convert yet, I recommend. I do have another video on that, which I'm sure my future self will put on the screen. Lower gear for the downhill. For more engine braking. Probably a bit too slow there, but no cars behind me, so who cares. Right, so southbound towards Rothus. I'll wait for this car. Oh, what a horrible blind corner. Oh, leg cramp, mother of leg cramp. Oh my lordy. Restrictive riding genes causing the cramps. It's very strange being able to see the the roads ahead of me, so I sort of know what's coming up and not just going into them blind, but I don't want to rely on that too much. Sort of like seeing the map on a racing game, which is a dangerous thought perhaps, but very quiet roads so far. So as most people are out enjoying the good weather today. It's been about 20-21 degrees, so beautiful. That's lovely. See, I'm looking at my map now and it's saying it's looking pretty straight, which gives me more confidence to speed up a bit, but I'm just like, how much do I trust the map? You know? Can't see absolutely anything right now. I'm always the same, go out late in the day and then complain about the low sun. So we're catching up with a biker. Rothus, the village or town of whiskey. Alright, go towards No Can Do. Woohoo! Just about to pass the Macallan. Can't see because the sun's in my eyes, but obviously a very famous whiskey, which is right on my doorstep. It's quite cool. Am I still recording? Yes, I am. I bought some pretty terrible Chinese batteries from Amazon not that long ago for the GoPro, and to be honest, they've done alright. They were a little bit shorter than the actual name brand GoPro batteries, and then one of them just completely died, just wouldn't even turn on. And I've got another Chinese one in now, so I don't have much trust in them. Alright, cheese tune. I'm afraid I am following you, sir. Right, first of all, tell my girlfriend I'm not dead and that I haven't suddenly just stopped on the map for no reason. Just get a little bit of B-roll here, since it's nice and quiet. Still getting used to this. Right. Kalimoto. Okay. This is... Okay. Continue. Alright. Let's get a move on. I've got Eurovision to watch today. Oh yes. Peasants. Okay, I'll take it easy around here. Me and Pheasants have had some... You gonna run? Good, run away. Very thin roads. That was a terrible riding around that corner there. Oh man, couldn't quite see down that road. This place is called Dallas for our little slice of Southern America in northeast Scotland. Not quite the same though. And that monolith over there is where I filmed the introduction video for this bike in the background. Which, kind of interesting that that's just standing there. Hello, Pheasant. Love when my Samsung just decides to darken the screen so I can't see it. Can't see. Oh, there we go. Oh, 5% battery, nice.